继续关心英国国王查尔斯3世的加冕典礼，场面是真大，也毋过嘛有反对君主制度的抗议者咧场外抗议，尾啊结共有52个人互抓起来。
Not my king! Not my king!
穿着黄色的衫，发着口号，民众举着标语抗议举办典礼。英国国王查尔斯3世加冕典礼伫当地初六举行，真侪民众举着英国国旗，激动庆祝70年来头一届的加冕仪式，也毋过反对君主制度的组织。共和国的成员所组织伫游行路线边抗议，意图更加支持的民众冤家。
We believe that Britain's head of state, the highest public office in the land, should be elected by the people based on merit, not inherited and imposed upon us without public consent.
最后，警方用可能扰乱加冕游行做理由，伫街仔路陆续逮捕抗议的人，当中52个人，而且甲因拘留将近16点钟了后，才甲因释放。这场典礼包括大英国协成员国，嘛就是由英国旧殖民地组成，包括56个独立国家，拢总有200多个国家拢来庆祝。有一寡国家到即马阁奉英国国王是国家元首，也毋过真侪国家的民众无啥感觉。
I'm an old school royalist. I do love the pomp and circumstance, and the Brits do it very well. And we're here to celebrate.
Charles's coronation does not matter much to me because I don't feel the significance.
And I think it's more of an older generation thing. I think the younger kids growing up today don't really care about the royals, and we don't really like Prince Charles, to be honest.
这场典礼共要所有王室成员拢有出席，也毋过哈利王子煞是一个人出席，而且伫典礼结束无偌久，就坐车离开。伫暗头的加冕音乐会嘛邀请真侪明星出席，歌手凯莉佩瑞穿着金色礼服登场唱歌。好莱坞明星汤姆克鲁斯嘛录伊开美军二战上有名的战机影片，也请佫王座伊的飞行会看。当然老牌歌手莱诺里奇嘛有上台，互现场2万民众甲贵宾看甲真欢喜。公司新闻台是董平友。
镜头来。